Good morning, students. We are in soil chapter, and today we are going to continue the properties of the soil. Based upon its various properties, soil is used for the desired purpose, for pottery, for construction of buildings, farming, etc. So, rate of percolation of water. First property is rate of percolation of water. Percolation means filtration. That means the process of a liquid moving through a substance that has very small holes in it or pores in it. For example, in soil, you can see pores are there, holes are there, and through this, the water filters or passes on. This is known as percolation of water. And rate of percolation of water is the time taken by a given amount of water to reach the bottom layer of soil. How much time it takes to reach the bottom layer of the soil. That is rate of percolation of water. Based on it, one activity is given to calculate the rate of percolation of water in a sample of soil. We will take 3 plastic bottles of equal size and cut their base to make 3 hollow pipes. Now we will place these pipes about 2 cm deep in the ground at different places. Here it is said that we have to do the activity in the class, but as the school is closed, we are unable to do in our school, in our class, so you can do at your home. And place these 3 hollow pipes made up of plastic bottle in 3 different locations, 3 different places. Then keep a stopwatch ready and start it as soon as you start pouring water into the pipe. You have to take 200 milliliter water in each bottle and slowly pour the water into the pipe, taking care not to let the water spill over. पानी इधर उधर फैले नहीं, वो एक ही जगह पे गिराना होगा. Then note the time taken in each case for water to percolate into the ground. Start the stopwatch and in 3 places observe it that how much time different soil takes to percolate the water, because you are putting the pipes in different places. So the time taken to percolate the water will be different. So observation, you will observe carefully the various layers that have formed due to sedimentation. Then see the difference in the color and texture of the layer and find that there is anything floating on the top of water or not. So formula for percolation rate is equal to amount of water divided by percolation time. The amount of water you have taken and how much time it takes to percolate both get divided, and then we will get the percolation rate. For example, see here, if you took 200 milliliter of water and it take 10 minutes for percolate, then percolation rate will be 200 milliliter divided by 10 is equal to 20 milliliter per minute. The unit of percolation rate or rate of percolation is milliliter per minute. So Which type of soil do you think will have the maximum rate of percolation? The soil with maximum space, three types of soil you have read: clayey soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. Now you can give the answer which soil will have more percolation of water and which will have less through it. Second is absorption of water. We have already studied about water retention and absorption of different types of soil. The amount of water absorbed by the soil can be expressed by the formula, that is volume of water divided by weight of soil. Here we have to take weight of soil. That means volume of water in milliliter and weight of soil in gram, milliliter per gram. Now an activity to calculate the water absorbency of a given sample of soil. Here materials required are measuring cylinder, a glass rod, some soil, newspaper sheets, water procedure. Water procedure, that means how we will do the activity. Arrange a filtration apparatus as shown in the diagram is written here, but diagram is not given in your book. So I will give you the diagram. Arrange a filtration apparatus and then keep a measuring cylinder and a glass rod ready. Put a weighed amount of soil on the filter paper. In place of filter paper, you can take newspaper sheet folded in the manner of filter paper, and then take care to break the lumps, if any, in the soil. Pour water down the sides of the glass rod or using a dropper, spreading it all over the soil placed on the filter paper in the filtering funnel. फनल के थ्रू हम लोग साइड से वाटर ड्रॉपर की हेल्प से डालेंगे. कीप अ चेक दैट नो वाटर ड्रिप्स डाउन द फनल. स्टॉप एडिंग वाटर वंस इट स्टार्ट्स ड्रिपिंग फ्रॉम द स्टेम ऑफ द फनल. जब ये फनल से गिरना शुरू कर देगा उसके स्टेम से, तो हम लोग पानी डालना बंद कर देंगे. Now calculate the water absorbency of the soil using the formula, that is volume of water absorbed divided by weight of the soil. Suppose weight of the soil we have taken is 50 gram and volume of water absorbed we have to find out, because the initial volume of water first we have to take and then the final volume of water in the measuring cylinder. Suppose initial volume is U milliliter, final volume is V milliliter, then we will subtract it U minus V, and this is the volume of water absorbed by the soil. Then find out the water absorbency of soil. Volume you have got and the weight you know. Then calculate the water absorbency of a soil. Third is moisture content of soil. Due to the difference in the rate of percolation and water absorption capacities of different types of soil, the moisture content is also different. Just now you have read that all the soils have different water absorbency and also rate of percolation. So the moisture content will also be different in different types of soil. It depends on the soil type and the weather. Soil becomes dry and cracks appear in it if the temperature is too high and there is no rain. I think all of you have seen this If there is no rain, then the dry and cracks appear in the soil due to high temperature. So, to calculate the water absorbency of a given sample of soil, here 50 gram, already I have explained, weight we have taken 50 gram, then heat it on the burner or put it on an oven if available till the soil becomes absolutely dry. Weigh the soil again. Suppose it comes 45 gram. Find the percentage of moisture present in the soil. You can repeat the experiment in different seasons round the year and do a project on soil. Then calculate the percentage of moisture in the soil. Here we have to multiply the finding with 100. Then we will get the percentage. So 50 minus 45, that means the water absorbed in it, divided by 50, that is the weight of the soil, into 100. It is 10%. Then another activity to collect sample of different types of soil and analyze them. You have to take different types of soil, sample of clay, sandy and loamy soil. Clean the soil by removing pebbles and dead leaves. Pebbles means small stones. छोटा छोटा जो पत्थर होगा उसमें से अलग कर देना है. And dead leaves also. This can be done by sieving or hand picking. सिंपल हम लोग चलनी से छान के भी इसको कर सकते हैं या फिर हाथ से चुन के भी उसको अलग कर सकते हैं. Keep a fistful of the 3 types of soil separately in 3 plates. Fistful means एक मुट्ठी. सॉयल हम लोग अलग अलग प्लेट में तीनों तरह के सॉयल को 3 प्लेट में एक एक मुट्ठी ले लेंगे. एंड ऐड वाटर स्लोली, 1 spoon at a time, enough for it to absorb. Knead the soil into a ball. Try making different shapes or toys of your choice like a bird or an animal using the kneaded soil. जिस तरह से आप लोग क्ले से करते हैं उस तरह से इस सॉइल से भी कर सकते हैं. And now calculate the water absorbency of the soil. Volume of water absorbed divided by weight of soil. In this way, you can see the different properties of the soil and in different types of soil.